Hello everyone, this is Adarsh. Welcome to my channel. So in my last video I gave some challenge in Excel file. So let me open that file. The challenge is how to fill these empty cells for each column. So let me open my studio. Yeah. So before getting started, I would recommend everyone to please watch my previous video because whatever the process I am using over here, that has already discussed in my previous video. So for this challenge, I will modify this process by adding some additional activities, 2 to 3, so that I can finish out my challenge. So please go and watch. So let's get started. Here you can see the while activity, which I have already discussed for looping through columns. Let me maximize it. Yeah. So we need to fill the empty cells, right? For that we need a if activity. So before going to that, I will just delete this message box activity. We don't require it now. Yeah, in this place I will just use if activity. Okay, so what kind of a condition I have to give here over here? Let me open my Excel. So if my cell is empty, I just want to fill it with some kind of word like hello, okay, for each column. So what I can do is that, yeah, if my row dot item of my, I have gave the column index as a variable int, let me write that variable column index, yeah, dot to string, sorry, dot to string is equal to empty. Yeah, if my cell is empty, I just want to fill that cell with some value, right? For that I have to use some assign activity. Let me drag it over here. Yeah, so I will just use row dot item property, row dot item of int column index, sorry, with word hello. That's it. So my bot will check where the empty cell is and it will fill with the hello. If my cell contains some value, then I will just use log message and I will display the message as cell is not empty. That's it. Okay, then I want to write it in that spreadsheet, right? For that I need to use right range activity. Let me take right range. So not from workbook, I have to pick from Excel. Yeah, so I just want to read whole spreadsheet, so I don't want to specify the range. From my data table which I have already created, dt. Okay, so is it in sheet 1? Let me check. Yeah, it is in sheet 2, right? So let me change those things. Sheet 2, and over here also it should read from sheet 2. Yeah, is it having headers? Yeah, it's having. Here I want to check this also has a add header. That's it. So let me run this file. Yeah, my bot has filled that empty cells with hello. So in this way you can do, so in this way you can loop through the columns and you can do whatever you want. This is one of the most useful concept in many use cases. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for getting more latest videos. Thank you.